Thanks to YouTube, I've learned a lot. Thanks to YouTube, I've learned a lot. I have a jealous wife. I have a jealous wife. I haven't decided yet. I haven't decided yet. Please take me to this address. Please take me to this address. Do you know how to cook the pasta? Do you know how to cook the pasta? The food was delicious. The food was delicious. There are many errors in this text. There are many errors in this text. Who is that girl over there? Who is that girl over there? Where did you learn these things? Where did you learn these things? No one is at home. No one is at home. Where does your son work? Where does your son work? Bring me my car here. Bring me my car here. What can we buy from this market? What can we buy from this market? What can we buy for children? What can we buy for children? I don't know who to believe, you or her. I don't know who to believe, you or her. You are making too much noise. You are making too much noise. What do you prefer, this or that? What do you prefer, this or that? You're acting really weird. You're acting really weird. The doctor will see you this evening. The doctor will see you this evening. I know exactly what you need. I know exactly what you need. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. I guess you didn't understand my question. I guess you didn't understand my question. I forgot my backpack on the bus. I forgot my backpack on the bus. She liked to read novels. She liked to read novels. I like to write stories. I like to write stories. I help my daughter with her homework. I help my daughter with her homework. I'm looking for the American Embassy. I'm looking for the American Embassy. I want you to tell me the truth. I want you to tell me the truth. I will stay here until you come back. I will stay here until you come back. It's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs. The police arrested the suspect. The police arrested the suspect. I don't think that he will come. I don't think that he will come. I met her on several occasions. I met her on several occasions. Mathematics is my favorite subject. Mathematics is my favorite subject.
Can I take your picture?
Can I take your picture?
Ma'am, can I take your picture?
Can I take your picture, please?
Can I take your picture, please?
Can I take your picture?
Can I take your picture?
Ma'am, can I take your picture?